Hello viewers, welcome to another video tutorials. In this video I will show you how you can find the MAC address from your Mac, Windows or Linux operating system. So first let's start with the Windows operating system. So in Windows you can see here everything is shown with a screenshot, so I think you will easily get it. And so first you have to type the CMD to open the terminal from Windows. So when the command prompt is opened, then you have to type ipconfig, then space and then /all. So if you write this command, you will see all the information regarding your network address and MAC address and IP and everything. So and then you will see something like it's in German, but you in English you will see something Ethernet adapter. Then you will get your MAC address with in hexadecimal format. So I think for Windows it's very easy to get it. So now let's move to the Mac operating system. So for Mac, first click on the Wi-Fi icon, and from here um, then click on the last option, that is open network preferences. And if you click here, then you will see something like an Ethernet, and if you click on Ethernet, then in the second step you have to click on more option. So if you click here, then you will find the hardware, then you will find the hardware or the MAC address under the hardware tab. So if you click on hardware, then you will see your MAC address. It's also in hexadecimal format, dividing into a colon. So now let's move into for Linux operating system. So for Linux, first you have to open the terminal. I think all the Linux user already know how to open a terminal, and then you have to write IP address or IP config. So first we have to try with the IP address. So if you write it, then we will see some information from our device, and then the Ethernet adapter option. So you can see it's labeled with ETH0. That means the Ethernet. So you can see ETH Ethernet. So it's also in hexadecimal format. So all the MAC address is write as hexadecimal format. And then if you write also the IP config, then you will see the Ethernet and the hardware address or the MAC address of your device. So just keep in mind that the MAC address is unique for every device. So it's same. So here, so it's with the two different ways you can find your MAC address in Linux. So that's all from today's video. I hope it will help you. It helped you to find the MAC address from Windows, Linux and Mac. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video tutorial. Bye bye.